Get the planks under there now.
The chain is secure. Pull it!
It's not moving. We're losing daylight.
Give it more power.
Pull! Pull!
Watch the rope, it's straining.
I can't believe it! Hook the chain there. Hook the chain right there.
All right, we're ready. Pull slowly on 3. Hook it up to the excavator.
It's heavy. Watch your foot.
All right, pull it slow.
More power on the dozer. Watch the left cable. Woo! Keep going, it's starting to shift. The wheels are just digging it in further. We need to stop. How are we supposed to get it out of this mess now?
Pull it higher, watch the left side. Okay, steady now.
Help us! We're stuck deep! Pull us out! We need more slack on this cable. It's too heavy. Hurry up and hook it! Got it. Signal them to pull.
Pull the cables tighter. We need more tension now.
Harder! Pull harder!
The rope is tight. It won't budge.
Push on 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's not moving!
The left wheel is slipping too much.
Pull harder on the main cable!
Watch the tension. She's still sinking.
Give it everything you've got, slowly now.
Help! Can anybody hear me? Please send help!
Give it more power. Easy now, easy. We almost got it. Hold the tension right there. Okay, ease off slowly and let's check the anchor.
Gun it! Pull harder! It's moving, just a little. Keep going, don't stop.
Pull, pull! Harder now!
It's spinning, we're just digging deeper.
Keep pulling!
The front cable just snapped.
Easy now, easy! Don't spin them too fast. Get the hook ready.
Pull harder, everyone.
Heave! Don't let it fall!
Watch the ropes. All right, easy now. Pull it slowly. Watch the cables.